Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Tesla Model Y trunk from the outside. The Tesla Model Y trunk has a unique opening mechanism when you are outside the vehicle. Unlike many cars, there isn't a visible button or a traditional key fob function for external access. The only way to open the trunk from the outside is by using the official Tesla mobile application on your smartphone. This method ensures secure and convenient access. To open your Model Y trunk, first launch the Tesla application on your smartphone. Once the app is open, select your specific Model Y vehicle from the main display. You will then see a small trunk icon positioned near the bottom of your screen. Simply tap this icon, and the trunk will unlatch and slightly lift, allowing you to easily open it fully. This process takes only a few seconds. It is important to understand that the Tesla Model Y does not have a conventional external physical button to open the trunk. Furthermore, neither the key card nor the traditional key fob provides an external trunk release function. Therefore, if you are outside the vehicle and need to access the trunk, your only option is to utilize the Tesla mobile application on your smartphone. For reliable trunk access, always ensure your smartphone is adequately charged, as the app is essential. Also, confirm you have stable cellular data or Wi-Fi connectivity for the application to communicate with your vehicle. Remember, while the app is the only external method, the trunk can also be opened from inside the vehicle. In emergencies, a manual release is available inside the trunk for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.